How to use Index Universal Life Insurance to build wealth and become your own bank. Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating financial strategy that has the potential to change your financial future. We'll be talking about how to use Index Universal Life Insurance to unlock the secret to wealth and becoming your own bank. This strategy combines the benefits of life insurance protection with the potential for growth and cash accumulation. So, let's dive right in. Understanding Index Universal Life Insurance. Before we delve into the strategy, let's first grasp the fundamentals of Index Universal Life Insurance. In a nutshell, IUL is a type of life insurance policy that offers both a death benefit and a cash value component. However, what sets it apart from other life insurance policies is its unique ability to link the cash value growth to the performance of a stock market index. Unlike traditional life insurance policies, IUL policies allow policyholders to participate in the stock market's upside potential while providing downside protection. The cash value in an IUL policy has the potential to grow tax-deferred over time, offering a valuable asset for long-term wealth accumulation. Leveraging the power of cash value and the cover of death benefit. The death benefit provides financial protection to your loved ones in the event of your passing, similar to traditional life insurance policies. Meanwhile, the cash value component allows you to accumulate funds over time, which can be accessed during your lifetime. Another key advantages of an IUL policy is the cash value component. As you pay premiums into your policy, a portion of those funds goes towards building cash value. The cash value grows tax-deferred, meaning you don't have to pay taxes on the growth until you withdraw the funds. Over time, the cash value can serve as a source of funds for various purposes. You can use it to supplement your retirement income, pay for your children's education, or even start a business. The cash value can also act as an emergency fund, providing a safety net during challenging times. By leveraging the power of compound interest, the cash value has the potential to grow significantly over the years. This compounding effect allows your money to work for you, generating wealth and financial security. Utilizing indexing for market participation. One of the unique features of an IUL policy is the ability to participate in the growth of stock market indexes. This is known as index crediting. Rather than directly investing in individual stocks, an IUL policy links its cash value growth to the performance of specific indexes, such as the S&P 500. Indexing offers the opportunity to benefit from market growth while protecting against market downturns. The policy's participation rates, caps, and floors determine how much of the index gains are credited to your policy's cash value. This means that as the index rises, your cash value has the potential to grow. However, if the index experiences a downturn, your cash value won't decrease. For example, if the index experiences a positive return during a particular period, a portion of that gain, subject to the participation rate and cap, is added to your cash value. On the other hand, if the index has a negative return, your cash value will not be affected due to the floor. By participating in market growth, while avoiding losses during market downturns, indexing within an IUL policy can provide a steady accumulation of wealth over time. Becoming your own bank. One of the most compelling aspects of an IUL policy is the ability to become your own bank. How does this work? Well, the cash value in your policy can be accessed through policy loans. Policy loans allow you to borrow against the cash value while still keeping the policy in force. The best part is that these loans are typically tax-free, as long as the policy remains in force until the insured's death. This means you can access the cash value for various financial needs without incurring immediate tax consequences. Furthermore, when you take a policy loan, you can potentially earn interest on the borrowed money. This unique feature allows you to use the cash value as collateral, while still benefiting from the growth potential of the remaining funds. By becoming your own bank, you can access funds for investments, real estate purchases, or any other financial opportunities that may arise. This strategy provides you with greater flexibility and control over your financial future. Long-term wealth building strategies. To maximize the benefits of an IUL policy, It's essential to adopt long-term wealth-building strategies. First and foremost, it's crucial to maintain consistency in your premium payments by consistently funding your policy. You ensure the growth of the cash value component and the accumulation of wealth over time. Additionally, it's important to strike a balance between the growth potential and the life insurance coverage provided by the policy. While it's tempting to focus solely on building wealth, it's vital not to neglect the primary purpose of life insurance, which is to provide financial protection for your loved ones. Integrating an IUL policy into your overall financial plan is key. Consider your retirement goals, education funding needs, and legacy planning. By aligning your policy with your long-term objectives, you can leverage its benefits to create a comprehensive financial strategy. Benefits of utilizing Index Universal Life Insurance in your financial journey. Tax advantages. One significant advantage of IUL is its tax-favored status. Generally, the cash value growth within an IUL policy accumulates tax-deferred. Additionally, if structured correctly, you can access the cash value through policy loans or withdrawals, potentially creating a tax-free income stream. Market upside potential with downside protection. Another benefit is the opportunity to participate in the stock market's potential upside, while being shielded from its downside. Since your cash value is tied to the performance of the index, you can enjoy market gains without risking losses. During market downturns. Policy customization. Index Universal Life Insurance policies can often be customized to suit your specific needs. You can adjust your premium payments, death benefit, and even choose from a variety of index options, depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Legacy and estate planning. Index Universal Life Insurance can also play a significant role in legacy and estate planning. The death benefit received by your beneficiaries is generally income tax-free and can provide financial security for your loved ones or even fund charitable endeavors. Retirement planning. One common strategy is using IUL as a retirement planning tool. By consistently funding your policy over time, you can accumulate substantial cash value that can serve as a tax-advantaged income stream during your retirement years. Accessing cash value. The cash value component of an IUL policy can be accessed through policy loans or withdrawals. These funds can be utilized for various purposes, such as funding your children's education, starting a business, or even investing in real estate. Considerations and caveats. Before diving into an IUL policy, it's essential to consider certain factors. First, be aware of the costs and fees associated with these policies. IUL policies typically have higher premiums compared to term life insurance due to the added cash value and indexing features. Ensure that you understand and are comfortable with the associated costs. Policy illustrations can provide an estimate of potential policy performance, but it's important to remember that they are not guarantees. The actual performance of an IUL policy will depend on various factors, including market conditions and policy adjustments. Lastly, working with a knowledgeable financial professional is crucial when considering an IUL policy. They can help you navigate the complexities, assess your financial needs, and guide you in tailoring the strategy to your specific situation. Conclusion, and there you have it. Index Universal Life Insurance offers a unique opportunity to build wealth and become your own bank. By leveraging the power of cash value, participating in market growth, and utilizing tax advantages, you can take control of your financial future. Remember to do your due diligence. Consult with a qualified professional and tailor the strategy to your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below, and we'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building your wealth and taking control of your financial destiny. Bye.